If you're looking for an in-depth Vitamix E310 versus E320 comparison, then this video is for you. I'll explain all the differences between the Vitamix E310 and the Vitamix E320 so that you know which product is most worth buying. Just make sure to click the links in the description box below to see the most up-to-date pricing information. The E320 boasts a slightly more powerful 2.2 horsepower motor compared to the E310's 2 horsepower motor. This extra power can make a difference when tackling tougher ingredients or larger batches. The E320's larger 64-ounce container gives you more room for big batches, perfect for family-sized smoothies or meal prep. The E310's 48-ounce container is ideal for smaller households or individual portions. Blade size differs between the two models. The E320 features 4-inch blades, while the E310 has 3-inch blades. Larger blades can process ingredients more quickly, especially useful for tough items like nuts or frozen fruit. You'll appreciate the pulse feature on both models for quick bursts of power. This comes in handy for chopping vegetables or creating chunky salsas. Whether you're blending soft fruits or crushing ice, both the E310 and E320 deliver consistent results. The main difference lies in batch size and power, so consider your typical blending needs when choosing between them. Both the Vitamix E310 and E320 feature simple, intuitive controls that you'll find easy to use. Each model has a central dial for speed control, allowing you to adjust blending power on the fly. You'll appreciate the straightforward on-off switch and pulse feature on both blenders. These controls give you precise control over your blending tasks, whether you're making smooth purees or chunky salsas. One advantage of these manual controls is their durability. Unlike touchscreens, these physical switches are less likely to malfunction over time. However, some users might prefer more advanced digital controls with preset programs. If you're looking for automated blending cycles, you may want to explore other Vitamix series. Remember, the main difference between these models lies in their container size and motor power, not their controls. You'll get the same straightforward operation regardless of which one you choose. The E310 comes with a 48-ounce container, while the E320 boasts a larger 64-ounce capacity. Both containers are made from BPA-free Triton plastic, offering clarity and durability. The control panels on both models are straightforward and user-friendly. You'll find a speed dial, pulse switch, and on-off switch on each blender. Both models feature Vitamix's signature self-cleaning function. Simply add warm water and a drop of dish soap, run the blender, and it cleans itself in seconds. While the E320 has a slightly more powerful motor, both models deliver exceptional performance and are built to last for years. For smaller households or those who prefer making individual portions, the E310's 48-ounce capacity might be just right. You can easily whip up smoothies for 2 or create sauces without excess. As I noted earlier in my Vitamix E320 versus E310 comparison, the E320's 64-ounce container is perfect if you often blend larger batches. You'll appreciate the extra space when making soups or smoothies for the whole family. It's also great for entertaining guests. Both models feature low-profile containers that fit under most kitchen cabinets. However, the E320's larger size might require more storage space. Keeping your Vitamix blender clean is a breeze, whether you've got the E310 or E320. Both models feature self-cleaning capabilities that make your life easier. Just add warm water and a drop of dish soap, run the blender for about 30 seconds, and rinse. Easy peasy. The E310's smaller 48-ounce container might be slightly easier to handle during cleaning. You can reach inside more comfortably to scrub any stubborn bits. The E320's larger 64-ounce container gives you more space to work with, but it might require a bit more elbow grease. When it comes to accessories, both the Vitamix E310 and E320 come with similar basic packages. You'll get a tamper tool with each blender to help push ingredients down towards the blades. Both models are compatible with Vitamix's dry grains container and personal cup adapter, sold separately. You can also purchase additional full-size containers for either model. The E310 uses 48-ounce containers, while the E320 uses 64-ounce ones. This means you can't interchange containers between the two models.